Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We all fed ourselves greatly yesterday with great food. Yesterday was very busy for me, and like it was for many of you, if you were cooking. So, this is what I have planned for my leftovers for today. Let's get to it. Got a Dutch oven, got a stock pot. First, I'm going to be making a turkey stock. Got a mirepoix going here, carrots, celery, onions, the carcass from yesterday's feast, cheesecloth, the elusive cheesecloth. Robin and I sometimes have difficulty finding the cheesecloth, but we stocked up the last time that we bought. There's the recipe for today. I am making a creamy turkey and mushroom soup using leftover turkey meat, and we'll be doing another mirepoix with carrots, celery, and onion. We've got some flour for thickening, the mushrooms, of course, butter, whipping cream, olive oil, salt and pepper, dried thyme, parsley, and garlic. So, how are you going to use your leftovers? Rob and I have at least 2 or 3 more days of leftovers easily, but they're yummy leftovers. So, eat great food and have fun cooking.